Hi everyone, here we've got Vernee M5 and let me share with you how to manage, so how to add and then remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it. And here we have to scroll down and find the option called the accounts. It should be in the personal section, so let's tap on it. Now in order to add new account, just tap on add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, after that just tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, now just tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it and read if you'd like to. As you can see here we've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the Google services and the backup option, so let's tap on next. And as you can see, we just added a Google account to this device. If you'd like to remove it, all you have to do is simply tap on it, so tap on the Google. Tap on this three dots icon and tap on remove account. Maybe do it again. Now let's tap on remove account again. And as you can see, our Google account simply disappears from this device, so it means that we successfully removed it. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the Google account in your Vernee M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.